The best support teams don't just resolve issues, they're obsessed with the customer's outcome. Most support teams are measured on ticket close rate and response time. Karen points, if those are your only metrics, you're optimizing for speed, not success. Do your agents know what outcome the customer is actually trying to achieve? Do they have the context to know if that outcome is at risk? Do they have a system to flag it if it is? That's the difference between a support team and a retention engine. Full episode, link in comments.